Hello everyone, welcome to the shop. Another unboxing. I promise this is the last unboxing of the year. Let's see what we got here from Xfly. Last week we checked the new Tomcat. Just give me a second. Alright, I forgot to put on the mic, so now you can hear me. That's good. Okay. It's really nice opening boxes. Alright. Check this. So I was surprised to see which side it goes. Okay, this is the Su-57, the fifth generation fighter from Russia. You saw probably lately. You saw in the air exhibition in China. Very beautiful plane, very maneuverable, very modern. Okay, let's see what's inside. All right. Let's cut a little bit more. Okay. Okay. I have to make a small hole for the vacuum. Right. Here we go. This is what he looks. The manual, all taped in. As I always say, the tape is very dangerous because you can ruin your paint. All right. Here we have the manual, assembly manual, nice. Like the F14, very simple and very useful. And of course, related hardware, Velcro for the batteries, and all the hardware needed. Right. Right. Okay. Now we can start looking into the pieces. This is the main wing. Very nice. The camo is applied through a sticker. Very nice sticker. It's the color of the paint and the sticker are the same. Very nice camo, digital camo. Let's see. Okay. We have the other wing. This time comes with a bigger servo than the 14. The 14 are micro servo. This is a mini servo. So, this is 9 grams. The other one was smaller. Okay, the elevators. Like the original plane, these are full flying elevators. Nice, with a really nice pivot rod here. Something that even in LX was quite difficult to get. And then we have the chute pod. Oh wow! Very long 6 mm carbon fiber tube. Yeah, carbon fiber. And now let's go for the main part. very tight. Very good packaging. Packaging is excellent. All right. Put it here. Protection. And all right, here we go. Wow. It's a bit not so easy because the wing joiners are all right. Very tight. Okay, look at this. It's so beautiful. Very beautiful, very smooth, very scale. Oh, look at the shape of those intakes. So nice. 220A ESCs. 9-gram servo, 9-gram servo. I wonder why the F14 had a smaller servo on this one. Really beautiful. Really, really nice. And okay, we have the nose. Right. This plane is strange because it has the nose a little bit going up. We can put it also all with magnets, right? You can see it's just magnets. And also tight fit, so not really an issue. We can do a dry fit now. Dry fitting. So I think, let me see. Maybe this way. All right. You need to push a little bit past the groove here for the support. Two wings also. Very easy to install. You just need to put it like this. Two screws, one here, and that's it. It's practically done. And we have the, if you don't want to hand launch, which I don't, it's not my preferable choice, you have the wheels. The problem I found with these wheels in the F14 is that they are quite tough and it makes the plane bounce a lot. Maybe it's a good idea to change with a softer rubber foam wheels. All right, then just dry fit this one. I must remember to put the okay. Okay, what do you think? For me, it's a beautiful small plane, very beautiful. There was one version before in RC Castle, but it didn't look like as nice as this one. Probably the same molding, but probably the paint job or they improved something that it looks really nice. One thing is the rudders are already glued in and they are fixed. No movement on this one, no servo, so it's all ailerons and elevator only. All right, this is it. Please subscribe. Let me know in your comments what you think about this plane. This plane most probably is going to be a maiden this weekend. We will have a fly-in to close out the year for our club. So we're going to bring all kinds of planes, and I'm planning to bring this small plane to maiden together with all my friends. Keep posted. I will be also interviewing. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos about the different flights for that day. It's going to be next weekend, 29 November to 1st, 29 to 30, or the 30 to 1st December. So this, as I mentioned, this is going to be my last unboxing of the year. I hope you have enjoyed my channel. Please subscribe if you do. That helps a lot to continue getting more material and to present all the new planes that are arriving around here. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day and enjoy your life.